How did a country destroy a U.S. Navy ship and not even get hit back? An American ship was sailing in international waters near Egypt during the Six-Day War. Fighter jets from a friendly country flew over the ship without doing anything at first. But not long after, those same jets returned and began to attack. They shot rockets and bullets. Then small boats came and fired a torpedo at the ship. The antennas were destroyed, and the flag was knocked down too. They couldn't even send out a call for help. By the end, 34 Americans had lost their lives and 171 were wounded. The country involved said it was an accident, but the crew didn't believe that. To them, it felt like a real attack. What shocked them most was that the U.S. never fought back. The country that did it was